So right now, I'm going to hear my dad snore over there. I always see him snore at the night, but he never pleases me, so right now I'm going to show him that he actually does right now. So be quiet. So we can hear him. So he snores every time he sleeps. And he always tries to tell me Daddy, you're snoring. But he usually never listens to me, so this is his time to believe me. And yeah, that's the end. If you want to wait him to wake up, maybe I'm just going to do just for the people who want, or in a while when he does enough snoring, then.
It's raining.